Hello friends, I am going to talk to you about the interesting problem of apples. Imagine you had two apples with you. You take one of the apples and put it into a plate. Now there is one apple in the plate. Now you cut the other apple into two halves and put a half into the plate. Now the number of apples in the plate is one and a half. Let us continue this activity by putting half of whatever is left outside the plate into the plate. So now the number of apples in the plate is 1 plus half plus 1/4. Now let us repeat the activity again by adding half of whatever is left into the plate. So now the number of apples in the plate is 1 plus half plus 1/4 plus 1/8. Now when we have repeated this activity an infinite number of times, now the number of apples in the plate equals 1 plus half plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1/16 so on till 0, because at the end of it 0 apples would be left outside the plate and all of the 2 apples would have been transferred to the plate. So this means that whatever we added there, 1 plus half plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1/16 plus so on up to 0 equals 2. The sum of all this infinite number of terms equals 2. Now these numbers we can express as powers of 2. So 1 by 2 power 0 plus 1 by 2 power 1 plus 1 by 2 power 2 plus 1 by 2 power 3 so on up to 1 by 2 power infinity equals 2. Now expressing that in summation language, sigma 1 by 2 power n from n equals 0 to n equals infinity equals 2. This means that if you take any term 1 by 2 power 0, 1 by 2 power 1 so on up to 1 by 2 power infinity, the sum of those infinite number of terms will equal 2. Thank you friends. Hope you like this derivation. Thanks for watching.